What's going on, guys? Today I'm kind of thrown off. I had a topic, I'm not sure. I can't remember what it was now, but today I have a funeral to attend. One of my good friends, one of my best friends, brother from another mother, if you will, spiritual advisor, all around good guy. You may have seen him if you've been on the channel or been around the channel for a while. You may have seen him in some of the Buffalo Soldiers videos. His name is Kevin. We call him Deacon because he's the club deacon and he is a deacon at his church. The funeral that I have to attend today is Kevin or Deacon's younger brother Carl, and it's tough because I knew him. I know three of his brothers actually, and Carl's a good guy. All of them are good guys. We actually did some work together. He did some painting. He did a little small paint job for me on a property that I manage. So anyway, it's kind of tough. It threw me off. I hate funerals. I don't want to go, but I do want to go. So anyway, that's it. I'll come back later. What's up, guys? So I made it to the funeral home, and I just saw Deacon and his wife and sister-in-law. So going to head in there and see how it goes. Obviously, I'm not going to roll inside or shoot anything, but here we go. Okay, the funeral went as well as a funeral could go. I did take something from it, and it was kind of motivating or inspiring, I should say. The pastor talked about what's new today, and so what I took is we need to create, make a difference. What's new about today that didn't happen last year or yesterday? So make it the best day. Make it the best day that you can. Enjoy life. Life is short, and make it happen. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and cut this thing short. This is nothing that I wanted to talk about today, but it was just heavy on my heart, heavy on my mind. Peace.